Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing my secret AI-powered study routine, from waking up in the morning feeling like a potato to sleeping at night feeling like, well, a smarter potato. I'll show you exactly how I use AI tools throughout my day, for planning, note-making, quick revision, even writing assignments efficiently. So grab your chai or coffee, and let's dive in. Morning, planning with AI. First things first, planning the day. I open ChatGPT and type, "Act as my study planner." Here are my subjects for today, make a timetable with breaks. Within seconds, I get a structured timetable with Pomodoro slots and reminders for water breaks. Because hydration is life, guys. Otherwise by evening, I look like a dried brinjal. Morning study session, summarizing notes. Next, during my first study block, I use ChatGPT or Claude to summarize heavy topics. For example, summarize Human Physiology Chapter 1 in simple points. It gives me easy to revise summaries, saves 30-40 minutes. I would spend making my own. Then I quickly add them to Notion as flashcards. Because writing summaries at 6 a.m.? My brain refuses. Even the neurons are like, bro, try tomorrow. Lunch break, quick doubt solving while eating lunch. If I have doubts, I ask ChatGPT. Explain Newton's third law with real-life examples. It explains in simple language. Sometimes I ask it to explain like I'm 5 years old. Because, well, some days I feel 5 mentally. Pro tip. Always cross-check critical answers with textbooks or teachers. Afternoon, writing assignments efficiently. Post-lunch, when I work on assignments, AI is my brainstorming buddy. I never copy-paste. Instead, I ask. Give me points on the impact of climate change on agriculture. It gives 7-8 points, which I then rewrite in my own words, adding textbook references. Otherwise teachers know. If your language suddenly becomes Shakespeare from Shaktiman, they know. Evening, revision with Quizizz. Evening revision is my favorite. I use Quizizz AI or ChatGPT. Create a quiz of 10 questions on organic chemistry basics. Solving AI-generated quizzes improves active recall. It's like playing PUBG, but for your brain's KD ratio. Imagine getting winner chicken dinner after an organic chemistry quiz. Night, planning tomorrow and motivation before bed. I open ChatGPT. Give me 3 motivational quotes to end my day. It gives quotes like, "Small steps every day build empires," makes me sleep feeling productive. Even though my only empire is 2 empty cups of chai and unfinished notes. That's my AI-powered study routine from morning to night. It saves time, reduces stress, and makes studying more fun and structured. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below on how you use AI for studying. Also, share this with your study buddy who still uses pen and paper for everything. See you in the next video. Until then, keep studying smart, not just hard.